Hi everyone, this is Gliza Made with Glee. In today's video, I'm starting it off with a little DIY because I needed to do it to participate in the You Oughta Be Mine Valentine Vignette Challenge, which is being hosted by Hand Tracey Ann. Hand Tracey Ann wanted us to create a vignette with a little red truck. It had to have hearts and it had to be in a tray. Well, I don't have a little red truck other than those like Christmas salt and pepper shaker ones, and I already put my Christmas decor, so I had to create a DIY, and this is my DIY. I didn't attempt to make a little red truck just because I don't have time. I have house guests coming and I'm in the middle of preparing for them and also getting the house ready so I can entertain. Now You Oughta Be Mine little red truck. I went to the Dollar Tree and I found this little gift bag. One side has a little red truck with hearts on it, and the other side has a car with like a heart on the hood. And I thought it was perfect. So the little bag and then some florals from the Dollar Tree. I picked up 2 shades of pink, the roses. The peach ones are previously in my stash that I used in other DIYs. Styrofoam is also from my stash, and a packet of these little styrofoam hearts. They come 6 in a pack to create my little centerpiece. Now there's one extra thing that didn't come from the Dollar Tree, and this is this glitter heart. I got that from Michael's, and I actually think I got that last year. I had a cake in mine. I was going to use it for a topper, and so yeah, that's from Michael's, but I am pretty sure I spent less than the $2 price tag because coupons, sales, whatnot. So either way you look at it, I'm looking at $5 for my little centerpiece. I think it turned out really cute. Again, almost everything that you find here, that you see here, is from the Dollar Tree, except for the one heart, from Michael's. Now I went ahead and removed the little ribbon that made it into a gift bag, so it just looked like a little vase to me. And this is my vignette. I put together my vignette in my kitchen. And you guys remembered for Denise Jordan's winter vignette, I had this gnome on my tray, and I kept him here because he's red and white. And just so you know, inside of him, what I keep in there are some of my specialty Keurig stuff, like the Starbucks, the lattes, the good stuff, the peppermint mocha and whatnot. So yeah, so that's in that cookie jar. And then here is my centerpiece. In the front, there's the little red truck with lots of hearts. There's hearts in the arrangement. There's hearts on the actual little red truck. And then I also have these little velvet red heart ornaments just like scattered in the bottom. And of course I have a little paper doily in the tray that I always use for all of my vignette challenges when it comes to my kitchen. And this tray will be getting a makeover soon. I just have not had the time. I was preparing for my house guests, so yeah. Now back to my tray. As you guys know, it's on the island, so I like to have a view on both sides. So the back of my gnome, he has a little heart on his hat. And then I have this Himalayan pink salt, I can't even talk right now, candle votive holder. And there's the back of my centerpiece with the little car with the heart on the hood, some more of the velvet ornaments. And then I also picked up this box from the Dollar Tree. It's a little gift box, and it says, "You drive me crazy, Valentine." Very, very cute. And inside I've hid a few treats to myself, my favorite chocolates. Yes, that's caramels, and it comes 4 in a pack, and yes, there's only 3 inside because I treated myself to 1 already. So that is it for my vignette. I hope you guys like it. I want to thank Hand Tracey Ann for this very, very fun collaboration. I will be linking her channel as well as including a link to the playlist in the description box below. Please do check out our hostess's channel as well as the playlist. You're going to get a lot of great ideas on how you can decorate, and maybe even some DIYs like this quick, easy, under $5 one centerpiece that you can make yourself for Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone, or Lover's Day, or whatever you want to call it. Just love. Just be love. Spread love, love. That's all it is. Have a good one. And again, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate each and every single one of you so much. And again, like and subscribe. Until the next video, have a great day, everyone. Bye.